Welcome to our roundup of 5 beginner-friendly AI projects designed to spark your creativity. Whether you're completely new to artificial intelligence or just warming up, these ideas will feel approachable and exciting. Let's demystify AI, showing how it's not just for tech experts but for anyone willing to explore. Our first project idea introduces you to building an AI chatbot. Think of it like giving a virtual personality to assist with tasks or answer questions. With free beginner-friendly tools like ChatGPT API, anyone can create personalized bots without needing advanced coding skills. Next, dive into image recognition by creating a simple AI model that recognizes everyday objects. Imagine teaching your AI to understand mugs or keys using just a smartphone camera. Tools like TensorFlow Lite make training on labeled images simpler than ever. Project 3 is about generating art with AI using tools like DALL-E or Stable Diffusion. It's perfect for beginners who want to explore how algorithms can transform text descriptions into jaw-dropping visuals. It's creativity and technology merging seamlessly. Project 4 explores speech-to-text technology. Build something that can convert spoken words into typed notes, perfect for busy professionals. Services like Assembly AI and Whisper from OpenAI make this project as achievable as it is useful for anyone. Finally, get hands-on with AI-powered recommendation systems. Think Netflix, but tailored to books, recipes, or playlists for your friends. Platforms like Google Colab offer beginner-friendly workflows to experiment with filtering data and making smart suggestions. Each of these projects opens a doorway to understanding AI's endless applications. They're accessible for any skill level and allow you to create something meaningful. Plus, they nurture creativity and problem-solving. A perfect combo for beginners diving into this exciting field. The best part about these projects? They grow with you. Start simple, then add complexity as your confidence builds. By practicing, you'll grasp fundamental AI concepts and gain hands-on skills that fuel both curiosity and career growth. AI has never been more beginner-friendly. Platforms and tutorials are abundant, eagerly awaiting the next wave of creators. Whether it's enhancing daily life or sparking your imagination, the journey into AI starts with one small project today. So take that first step and transform curiosity into action. These AI projects are seeds of potential, ready to bloom into something extraordinary. Start your journey today and see how AI can expand not just your skill set, but your vision of what's possible.